Did you know you can engineer your very own snowstorm? And it doesn't have to be 32 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 degrees Celsius. In the Hooked on Science lab, it's very warm, not cold enough to snow. Here are the ingredients you need for this experiment: a bicycle pump. At the end of my bicycle pump, I've placed a stopper with a hole in it. Here I have a 2-liter bottle and I have filled it full of packing peanuts. Now I've got to fill it full of air by using the bicycle pump. I'm going to push up and down on the bicycle pump, forcing air into my 2-liter bottle, which is filled with styrofoam packing peanuts. We are about to create an instant snowstorm. Keep pumping. We're increasing the air pressure on the inside of the bottle. Once we remove the stopper, the air will escape. Take the styrofoam packing peanuts with it, and you get an instant snowstorm. Are you ready for this experiment? Let's do 2 more pumps so we get the perfect snowstorm. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Awesome! 5 for science for Hooked on Science. I'm Jason Lindsey.